Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable voice typing on Samsung keyboard. The first thing you do is, from your settings, tap on general management and then you tap on Samsung keyboard settings. As you can see, there is no option for voice typing. If I open up my keyboard right now, you can see there's no icon for the microphone. So what I did was, I simply went to keyboard list and default. I downloaded Gboard first of all. So now I downloaded Gboard. If I enable my Gboard, because if I open up the Gboard settings, I have enabled voice typing. You can see it here, enable voice typing. So now I've enabled Gboard also, but Samsung keyboard is still my default keyboard. If I try to use the keyboard, you can see nothing is showing. But if I switch from my default keyboard to Gboard, by tapping on my keyboard, you can see the microphone is now there for voice typing. So what I do is, I downloaded another keyboard. I downloaded Google Voice Typing. So if I turn this on, so I have to Google Voice Typing and Google Voice Typing Legacy. Now with this on, I can now switch it back to Samsung keyboard. Let's see if it will show the microphone. As you can see now, my Samsung keyboard has the mic. I can now use voice typing on my Samsung keyboard. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to download the Google Voice Typing on Google Play Store.